Hey everybody, I want to welcome you to day 7 of the 10-day Fast Metabolism Cleanse Challenge. Many of us, actually thousands of us, are participating in the 10-day Fast Metabolism Cleanse. If you're not doing the shakes and you're not participating in the cleanse, do not stress and do not worry. Every one of these videos will be available for you on our website. You can also still get the cleanse on special. For those of us that are in the middle of the challenge, today is day 7. We're doing 5 shakes a day. Make sure you get in all 5 shakes. Probably the biggest complaint that I get on today, day 7, is I'm so full, there's no way I can get all 5 shakes in. Remember, this program is about nourishing the body to repair and restore the mechanisms of detox, and it takes those micronutrients to do so. I also want to talk a little bit, as we've spent 7 days together so far, and today we're not doing any prepared food, about the relationship with food. You know, it's funny because so many times we celebrate things. We say, let's go out to dinner. We get together with friends and say, let's go grab some ice cream or a dessert. But what about taking it outside for a while? What about meeting for a hike? What about having a picnic where you actually share stories or play a card game at the park, as opposed to eating food that doesn't stimulate the metabolism? I always say, if you're going to go to a party, be the life of the party by bringing life to the party. Share something healthy with your friends, with your family, and your community members. It is amazing when you start to put power on your plate and power on the plate of those that you love, the changes that you'll see in your health. Make sure you drink water and activate your senses. Smell beautiful, natural things. Look at things that are visually pleasing, like artwork. Listen to incredible music. All of those things really stimulate the metabolism because they help your body to secrete hormones that make nutrients bioavailable to your body. Have an incredible day 7, you guys, and I look forward tomorrow to adding in new food.